the type of skill that you might reconsider handling. Cause when I come through, I bring the force similar to Anakin. Have you panicking?
I got the type of skill you might reconsider battling. Cause I'm known to strike competitors like snakes rattling.
I got the type of skill you wanna reconsider and test. I come wholeheartedly while you have like the moon is crescent.
Hey yo, I got the type of skills that'll just shake the earth. It's in the bloodline, the battling, MC since birth.
I love it complex, but I tell you simple and plain. I put a hurtin' on that ass like constipation when you strain. MCs talk ish, but can't get it out with they tactics. So I hold my nose to their flows, cause when they speak it's very gastric.
I catch wreck on MCs like Eb Lot and rental cars. Make them crash and burn the mics like skied up rock stars. A fox like my traveler, verbals were formulated. Devastated be my foes when my crew's done demonstrating.
Influenced by rap, I flip my singing into scat. You're trying to bite my style and burn your tongue, bite your back. My dumb musically wax, pump to max, will I attack? Wisdom stay on point, never coming less than exact.
Yo, we bring heat to the wax, melting the plastic. Make them seize hazards when every verse we spit turns into a classic. Once you want to battle, bring the victory that you claim. Make sure the rhymes open your skull and tap my name upon your brain.
These are heavy lyric dosage, your eardrums are well sedated. Your crew's known for the most losses and shall remain underrated. Gonna leave beyond 2 G's, how many times do I have to say it? Put my CD in the JVC, how many times you gonna play it?
The true smacks in my crew run through you like brew do. Musically soothe you, flavor hot like the 4th barbecue. So many women you be like, damn, your who's who. Captivating with my poem juice, your mama swears voodoo.
Make it forfeit a decipher, now I'm forever in your memory. Bring tragedy to all of y'all like those in the bloodline of the Kennedys. Lyrical content be dominant up in the center. Forget styles, I reckon with just my pure words as an enter.
I explore the realms of hip-hop, not globally, but universally. While you still trying to get on the radio on your own way locally. You a joke to me, or crossover MC hope to be. The only thing I can say to you, baby doll, is to focus be.
If you got beef, nigga, swallow the juice. Sick like equal line, my crew spit back at you. Forever melodious, address me, madame, with more melody than the population of Japan.
I got the type of skill that you might reconsider handling. Cause when I come through, I bring the force similar to Anakin. I got you
Hey, yo, I got the type of skill you might reconsider battling. Cause I'm known to strike competitors like snakes rattling.
I got the type of skill you wanna reconsider and test. I come wholeheartedly while you have like the moon is
Hey
crescent.
yo, I got the type of skills that'll just shake the earth. It's in the bloodline, the battling, MC since